In this video, we'll learn the difference between ever and never and how to use them. This is video number 2 in my Travel English course, so be sure to watch all the other lessons and subscribe to get new lessons every week. Let's get started.
I have a few more questions for you. Have you ever seen a shark?
Yes, I have seen a shark. I saw one while I was swimming in the East China Sea.
Have you ever tasted shark?
Yes, I have tasted shark. My friend grilled a shark on a barbecue and I ate it. It wasn't very good.
Has a shark ever tasted you?
No, thankfully a shark has never tasted me. So here you can notice that John asked me questions with have you ever or has it ever. When you ask a question about someone's life experience, you use the word ever. It means in your life. If my answer is positive, like I have seen a shark, I use present perfect. It was an experience in my life. But if my answer is negative, I can use the word never with present perfect. I've never been to the moon. A shark has never tasted me. Never means not ever. What else have I never done? I've never tasted duck. I've never been on a cruise. I've never flown in a hot air balloon. What about my husband? What has he done? He's done a lot of things. Remember, when we talk about he, she, or it, we use has instead of have. So, my husband, he has sailed across the ocean. He has run a marathon. He's eaten worms. He's never jumped from an airplane. He's never swum with sharks. And he's never seen the northern lights. Okay, so in the comments below, I want you to tell me something you have done, some big life experience. And I want you to tell me something you've never done. You've never ridden a horse. You've never seen a movie star.
Have you watched the other videos in my English travel course? Check this one out here and be sure to subscribe to get new lessons every week. See you next week.